You are going to love the 2016 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the new Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance your traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.